Hello people, this is a tutorial about how to replace the battery pack on a Dyson V7 or V8 vacuum cleaner. So basically the vacuum cleaner's battery suddenly stopped working, and since it was still under warranty, Dyson sent out a new one with a simple phone call. In the box was a bag with an instruction manual and 3 replacement screws and of course the battery pack itself. So here's the actual issue with the battery. When the trigger was pressed, a red light was glowing instead of the usual blue one. So Dyson did confirm that this was an issue with the battery pack. The heads of the screws on this device require a common Phillips or star head screwdriver. There are a total of 3 screws that need to be removed, the first one below the air filter behind the trigger and 2 more on the bottom near the edge of the battery pack. The bottom screws did not completely come out with just the screwdriver. However, a simple pull at the battery pack brought them out. Time to install the new battery. It slides in easy peasy. Drive the screws back in and we're ready to go. Dyson recommends charging the new battery for 5 hours before the first use. This is really a must-have device for every household. I shall include a link to purchase this on Amazon in the description. There you go, a fully working vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. This channel is about everything under the sun.